To customize this form, just click on it and click on Edit Form. Then on the right-hand side, you have the form name, the email where the submissions will be sent to. This will be the same email that you used to sign up for Hostinger, so if you want to change that, go ahead and change it here. Next, let's check out the Fields tab. Here you're able to add, remove, or reorder fields. Right now we have fields for your name, email address, and message. But if you wanted to add a new form field, just go to the top here, and then you have a few different options to choose from. And then under the Button tab, you can change out the button text. Right now it says Send Message, but I could highlight this and change it to say Place Your Order. And you also have options for style and animation similar to other sections. So when someone submits this form, their entry will go straight to your email inbox, and you can reply to them directly from there. You can also view all of your form submissions inside the website builder. To do this, let's go to the bottom left here and click on the 3 dots. Then click on Form Submissions. And here you'll see a list of every entry that comes through your forms.